Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your charter.net account or your Spectrum account online on your PC. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your charter account or your Spectrum account, first open up your preferred browser. I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address charter.net like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to its homepage. But you can see the web address changed to the spectrum.net because charter.net has been upgraded to the spectrum.net, but they are the same website themselves. And let's wait for the page to load, and we are here on the home page of the spectrum.net or charter.net itself. Now you to sign into your account, you can see at the top right corner of the screen there is the sign in button available, and also here at the home screen, let's click on sign in. You can also create a username for your spectrum account from the home page or create an account. Now over here you'll be required to enter your username and your password with which you had registered an account on Spectrum. Let's go and enter our username, and after that enter your password which you had registered on Charter account. And after you have entered your username and your password, you'll be required to confirm that you're not a robot from over here by filling out the captcha or selecting your cars on the picture over here. Let's verify ourselves, and you can see after we have successfully entered our username and our password, let's unclick this button and select it. We are not a robot, or confirm we are not a robot. We can sign in, but if you have forgotten your username or your password of your Spectrum account, you can simply click on the forgot username or password to go through a procedure to retrieve your user ID or your password of your Charter or your Spectrum account. With that being said, after you have entered all your details, click on sign in on over here, and then you'll be able to sign into your Charter account from over here. And then this is how you log into your Charter or your Spectrum account online on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.